I know that in my last video, I told you that I was like 3,500 and some dollars in debt. But I have taken on more debt. Yeah, no. Um, I honestly need to stop. So, this is how I am planning on, you know, getting myself out of a situation that I put myself in. Um, this goes with my last video. So, my first job, like, let me put this in. I have an interview for a second job. Um, and I will still be selling snacks on the side. But my first job will be covering, most of my debt. Okay. And then my second job will start covering the new debt that I've taken on, while also relieving me of debt. That it's kind of hard to just explain like that. So the second job will help me, like, hey, I know I've taken on this other debt. So I'm not planning on staying. I just need, to get to a certain point to where I don't have to go to the second job. So this is like a broken down game plan just in my mind. Uh I believe that one paycheck will cover the new debt that I am going to take on in like 2 weeks. Um it's gonna the second, like, the other three paychecks will be invested. Not the first three. One will go towards me getting another phone, because I need it badly, and then the other two will go towards investments, and that is how I'm get myself out of what I put myself in. Um, I need like two. Let me not say two. I need to start. This is how I would start. I'm not gonna start like by building a savings just in case something happened, because something is always happening, and I need to do. I feel that I need to do the investment first. So with the investments, I need like $2,010 or 2,000. It's not it's not it's a lot, because I'm from a position where I don't have, but it's not a lot. It's like with this second job, that'll probably be like two actual months from when I start like saving. So the first month will be like two checks. The second month will be three. The third will be three, and then it will go from there. I can show you better once I get started. So we are already guaranteeing the job. So with this, with the 2,000, it will help me eliminate my phone bill every month, because the stock that I've already chosen, to invest my money in, I have calculated, the bare minimum that I seen uh, it produce a dividend at 68 cents. And when you do the math to get my phone bill, I need like 2,000, no more than $2,050. Um, so the first objective, will be to I say get a phone. The second objective, I guess, which would be the next week, would be to pay 1421. No, so the first objective would be to pay off on my new debt. The second week would be to get a phone. The third week would be to invest. So I'm not going out for the most expensive phone. I just need one so that I can get the ball rolling, and then the extra money will go towards investments, and then put some on the side so that I could handle my first debt. And the quicker I can pay off my first debt, the quicker I can keep building um the savings. So to like fully retire, which this is not advised, and this not financial advice, because honestly you shouldn't do this. I will be putting all my eggs into one basket until I reach my goal. um I have this thing where I feel like it is money out there, and it is coming to me. Like I know that I will get some money next year, but my goal is to have 7,353 shares of this one stock. This one stock will pay me the amount of money that I want right now. Um, but to get to that, I need I believe it's 93, 94K is how much I would I will get to get what I want out of this stock. Once again, do not put all your eggs in one basket and diversify your portfolio. I am only doing this because I want my money to gain pretty much as quickly as possible. When I get close, or even if when I get halfway to where it's like, hey, now my phone bill is taken care of every month, and I can pay probably on my second debt, then I can be like, okay, let me now branch out and pay here and pay here, or not pay here and pay here, but invest here and invest here, so that my portfolio is diversified. And if my first one just stops paying the dividend, one, I can just live off the money for a bit, and two, it won't be the only money that I have to live off of. I will catch you guys in the next video.